What's the best way for your control system to interact with the smart technology in the home?
AWE presents the Smart Home Essential Series.
The 4 most useful control interfaces for your smart home installation. I've got smart lighting, smart heating, motorized curtains. Do I want to be interacting with them on a regular basis? Frankly, I'd rather have my smart home processor take care of that. I want my curtains to close just before sunset, my lights to come on when I'm in the room, my heating to warm the house, but only if I'm home. For this, I don't want an interface. Sensors, geofencing, biometrics, and simple mechanical relays should be enough. It should all be automatic as long as I've got the power to override it whenever I change my mind. Media control is much less predictable. I know I'll be listening to music when I'm sat at my desk, but do I need something high energy to get me through the day, or something calmer to help me focus? I'm going to need a touchscreen, something interactive with plenty of rich metadata and cover art that I can browse and will help me make the right choice. Voice control is becoming far more mainstream, but let's not pretend that it's effective for everything. If I want to change the volume on my TV, it's pretty painful. But if I want to start a pre-configured scene, maybe involving lighting, blinds, or music, an easy-to-remember voice command is a great way to go about it. It doesn't matter how slick a touchscreen is, it's not a great user interface for watching TV. Humans have spent 50 years learning how to use a remote control. We know that the volume is on the left, channels are on the right, the cursor's in the middle, and our number buttons are here if we need them. That way, whether I'm enjoying a movie or if it's a particularly crucial moment in the cricket, I don't have to take my eyes off the screen to be in control. Here at AWE, we distribute systems from URC, an innovative, world-renowned control technology company. Their products can be specified to control most AV solutions and subsystems.
Check out more videos below and please support our channel by hitting the like button. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to subscribe and check the bell icon so you get notified whenever new content is released. If you have any questions, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching.